And I think so. We have very soon something exams is a subject to exam. Is it correct? I think so. Up to after 17th, I think so. August 17, we have some exams. Is it correct? Yes, yes. August 17. I think our syllabus we are expecting how much we are going to be cover atomic structure. That is plus some basic concepts. 2 chapters. Redox reactions may not be there. So only atomic structure and some basic concepts in the chapter. So how much we are going to be covered that much. Yeah, we covered some other batches they didn't cover. They're thinking they have to conduct board exam is equal paper for everyone. Board level only, but if I'm giving question paper, that's going to be at least you will get JE flavor. Okay. If I am giving question paper for board exam, you will get JE flavor also. Her exam will be easy only. That won't be tough. That depends upon who is giving that paper. That's also important. If I am giving that questions is like one word answers will be there mostly. So you can get. They will decide either 60 or 50. That's they will decide. Then let you know that one. 17th onwards, no, August 17th. No redox reactions. For examination, no redox reactions. Yeah, because online now we can't correct. That's why we are giving like 1 mark questions, objective type or one line questions like that. Clear? They're not numericals. For examples, Planck's quantum theory we are giving. You may can get 3 marks question Planck's quantum theory. Write the postulates of Planck's quantum theory briefly. Then you may can get one small question also. Like that type of things. Every siding you will get in examination, sir. Every siding. Because 50 marks, every siding you will get at least 3 to 4 marks. Exam, subject to exam is there. Okay. Something subject to exam will be there. Every siding you have 3 to 4 marks. So concentrate, we can write. Yeah, you need to write one line sentence maybe. Not too many things. Mostly formulas or one line sentence like that. You can see those things. What's the last class we can Planck's quantum theory explain? I hope you wrote formula also E equal to hc by lambda and E equal to h nu also you wrote. Even you wrote h c nu bar. 3 formulas we given, sir. Is it correct? E is inversely proportional to lambda. Nothing but you can write E1 by E2 equal to lambda 2 by lambda 1. Inversely proportional. Anything inversely proportional means you can write, sir. E1 lambda 1 equal to constant you can write, sir. This is whenever inversely proportional term I am using, you have to do that one. E into lambda you can multiply. Then you can take constant E1 lambda 1 equal to constant. Then second case E2 lambda 2 equal to constant. Then this is equation 1, then equation 2. Both cases constant I can equal each other. So E1 lambda 1 equal to E2 lambda 2. Then get it E1 by E2 equal to how much we will get? Lambda 2 by lambda 1. This is when inversely proportional case is there. Then frequency directly proportional or not? Frequency. E directly proportional to frequency. So you may can write E1 by E2 equal to nu1 by nu2. Or you may can write E directly proportional to wave number. You may can write, sir, E1 by E2 equal to nu bar 1 by nu bar 2. Anything you can take. So based on these questions, you have problems. Means problems you have that one based on this formula. We have to solve. And nothing. Every siding is an examination will get. Just practice regularly. Who are practicing class notes, they won't get any difficult. Who are not practicing, then only difficult. Which I thought today class that theory you can practice on notes, rough paper, then easy for you. And anyway, we are giving parallelly NCRT book questions also. You can solve those things. Direct questions I will use, sir. NCRT book back and interaction example. Direct questions you will get in examination. Even we won't change single numericals also. Direct questions you will get every exam, which is from NCRT book, in text, book back, even examples also. నువ్వు టీచర్ అయినా ఎలాగే ఉంటుంది పరిస్థితి ఏమరా చెప్పలేం కదా పరిస్థితి నువ్వు ముందు ఏది డిసైడ్ చేస్తున్నా టీచర్ అవుతా అనుకున్నాను చేతుల్లో ఏముండదు తర్వాత సిచ్యువేషన్ బట్టి ఏదైనా ఫేస్ చేయాలి అలాగే ఉండదు ఏం చేస్తున్నావు ఇక్కడ కనిపిస్తున్నాను కనిపిస్తున్నాను ఇంగ్లీష్ నేర్చుకోవడానికి ఇది ఒకటి చూడాలి క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎలా వేస్తున్నారు ఎలా ఉన్నారు ప్రతి పిల్లలు అటిట్యూడ్ ఎలా ఉన్నారు ఇట్లా ఉన్నారా మన వాళ్ళు ఎవరైనా ఇక్కడ మన వాళ్ళు 10th అయిపోయిన వాళ్ళు అది చెప్పేది చాలా డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంటుంది yes numerical problems also is there mostly numericals only will get how can I expect theory questions too many because we can't correct you know that one na? Okay, we can do one NCRT problem. Page number 2.6. Sorry, example NCRT problem 2.6. Please check it. Calculate energy of this NCRT. Please open your class NCRT book, everyone. NCRT problem 2.6. Please note down that question. Calculate energy of 1 mole of photons of radiation. 1 mole of photons of radiation whose frequency is 5 into 10 power 14. Calculate energy of 1 mole of photons of radiation whose frequency as 5 into 10 power 14. 5 into 10 power 14 hertz. This is the question. So you need to calculate energy value, sir. Right? This is NCRT problem. Example 2.6. So C value, if requirement, you have to note down. H value, you have to know that one. In joules, you can try it, sir. Joules. SI system. Page number you can search na according to question you can see. Is there any 2000 papers? No, no. Even you are discussing Planck constant concept. Refer that particular concept nearby that one or two papers. Page number 43, 39. You may can check it. You need to check that one. Concept name, you know that one. Then corresponding, be smartly that one. So first write data, what is the requirement here? Alright, don't copy if they given solution. So frequency they given means energy formula, energy related to frequency. H nu is the formula. This energy is always keep in mind. This is one photon energy. One photon energy, sir. This is. Keep in mind this is one photon. E equal to h nu or one packet or one photon. One photon energy. We know that one E equal to n h nu. If n equal to Avogadro number, substitute and get it answer. 1 mole means Avogadro number, sir. 1 mole equal to what's the value? You know very well this is 1 mole equal to Avogadro number. So now we can substitute E equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23 into 6.626 into 10 power minus 34. This is joules into frequency. How much, sir? 5 into 10 power 14. So calculate. So whatever your approximate answer, you may can check it. Pranav, the correct answer. Or if they given solution, don't see that anyone solutions. You may can see, you can get answer, doesn't matter, but don't see that one. Completed, right? NCERT problem 2.7. Array, watt meaning what is the units for watt? Suppose watt they given. What is the units of watt? Yes, your answer is 19199, sir. This kilojoule per mole. Okay. You may can get your answers correct. Everyone, you are doing just multiplication only here. There is no nothing to think here. Anything, sir. Just multiplication. We are getting here 199.51 kilojoule per mole. So please check into this one answer. Then NCERT example 2.7, sir. Array, you people are physics. What is the watt meaning? What is the unit of watt? Can you find out? 1 watt equal to what is the unit, sir? Power. Units is joule per second. Is it correct? Yes. So per second, joule, that is. Joule means energy unit or not? Correct. For example, here I am giving, sir. That question also they mention 10 watt they mention, sir. What is the meaning of 10 watt? This is meaning for 1 second, how much energy, sir? 10 joules. Understood? Per second, 10 joules. 10 watt means 100 watt means per second how much, sir? For 1 second, 100 joules. What it meaning? Good. Now you can try example 2.7, NCERT problem 2.7. Can you find out page number? Someone they will ask again. Array, exactly next question only, that is 2.7 means. Page number 43. Good. Yes. Ashwin, try it. Now we can try it. Give all your answers by solving your own, sir. That should be in your, that calculation should be in your paper notes, huh? Array, only one formula are using still now, Planck's constant E equal to n h nu. You can keep, sir. So if n equal to 1 means keep 1, that is means 1 photon means you can keep 1 photon, 1 mole means keep 1 mole. So E equal to the given 100, n value you don't know that one, h value you may can take it, sir. 6.626 into 10 power minus 34. New value, new nothing but c by lambda, and you can write E equal to n h c by lambda, because frequency c by lambda. C equal to how much, sir? 3 into 10 power 8, is correct? By 400 nanometers. 1 nanometer equal to how many? 10 power minus 9, is it correct? Meters. So by solving this is n value you can get. They're asking question is n value. Right? That's your answer, sir. Substitute and calculate your n value. The starting we are doing atomic structure problems, very easy. Little bit concentrate. All these are very easy concepts. S Kanish, your answer is correct. Array, our question is calculate n only, na? Read that question, Raghavendra. Please read that question. Our problem is to solving n value only. Then everything they are given, what you can calculate, sir? Right, per second how many photons can releases? That whatever that bulb you can take is the bulb, per second how many photons that can releases? And a bulb means you have to express something, so watts only, na? 100-watt bulb, 150-watt bulb, you have to tell, na? That is per second how much photons releases, how many photons. You can see on the screen I wrote. Suppose assume that one bulb per second how many photons that releases. I think so Gayatri understood. Okay, fine, got it. I leave that remaining. I think so. My intensity is you have to solve that question. So once you got it process, today you can start to solve problems. Next extra black body radiation is there. That is not in our chemistry concept. So we'll try to leave that one, but just basic concept I can give basic idea about that one. You may can check it because that's purely physics, sir. Actually, this concept's only physics, not chemistry, because there is no any chemistry related equations, anything. So try to understand that point is you have to study, you are going to be studying physics. Just keep in mind what is the black body meaning I can provide, then remaining things you can do yourself. Okay. You can write sir black body radiation. So actually wave theory, which is wave characters, sir. Wave theory or wave characters could not explain black body radiation. Okay. I think so radiation means emitting of light or emitting of energy. Okay. So we done wave characters, that is lambda, frequency, all these things is there. That's correct. So all these are 6 characters of wave is there. That wave theory could not explain black body radiation. They could not explain black body radiation. To explain black body radiation, Max Planck, okay, he explained black body radiation 1909. So you can take Max Planck. He explains sir black body radiation by using Planck's quantum theory. Max Planck explained black body radiation by using his quantum theory. But wave character could not explain black body radiation. Radiation means already you know that one, like wave, which is electromagnetic radiation means that is wave character. But especially this particular body could not explain. So black body means, I think so definition if you want you can note down. Right sir, ideal black body. Ideal black body is a perfect observer means absorption sir, observer and perfect emitter of radiation of radiation. Make and type later after over our class. You will get very clearly in YouTube. Too many videos is there in YouTube about black body. But in chemistry, we are not extending that is. That is not important in our chemistry point of view. So ideal black body is a perfect absorber and perfect emitter. I hope you know black hole something concept. If you are sending anything black holes in the universe, they can absorb whatever that is going. Same black body also, which you are sending all the radiations, it can absorb perfectly. So it's going to be absorb everything. Maybe in physics you are going to get very clearly because it's not our chemistry concept. That's why even I don't have that much good knowledge about this one. So black body radiation they can make by charcoal or something, that substance is there. You can assume that one. So whatever you are sending radiation, so this artificial black body, assume that one sir. It have one lining, some lining, that preparation of that substance. So whatever you are sending radiation, that will be hitting here only. Everything will be here. These are rays we are sending, sir. Don't assume that is diagram. I am sending radiation. All the radiation maybe they can here reflect only, but finally that absorbed by everything. Suppose I am sending 100 joules of energy in the form of radiation. It can absorb 100 joules of energy. Radiation nothing but frequency, sir. That frequency nothing but energy. Already know that one. E equal to h nu. So everything you can measure energy only, that is. I am sending some energy to the substance. It can absorb everything perfectly. That's we call black body. Whenever we are heating this black body, same thing, sir. Assume that one. Same black body, everything. If I am heating this is, that again releases all the radiations. Okay. If you are heating that black body, again it releases, which is that observed all radiations will releases, sir. When we are heating only, okay, keep in mind, sir, that won't releases itself. So when we are heating the substance, it releases everything back. Siddharth, okay, I think that's the point. Or you can search, maybe starting of the book only they given. Arey Surya, don't be like LKG kids. What is the page number, sir? Why you can't search the topic name? You don't know to read that book what they give sidings. You should be search. You have to know that one. Don't ask any teacher in future also. What is the page number, sir? Like that. If you know chapter name, go and search. That's enough. Should not ask any teacher, whatever that, even school teacher also. Don't ask any teacher. Book chapter name, you know that one. Then concept, you know that one. Go and search. So this is the which is we are heating of the substance. It releases all the radiations again. That's we call black body. Simple meaning I given. So black body means which can perfectly absorber and perfectly emitter. That substance we call black body. But in the universe there is no ideal black body, perfectly ideal black body. That's not possible. So anyway, here this black body radiation they are explaining. So at the starting they are assuming that one. In physics they explain everything, sir. Okay, this radiation they are sending through some prism. It can give some, okay, all these things. And we have an instrument that can measure intensity of the light. Different colors, sir. You may can assume that one. Here are something VIBG or something different color. Intensity of the color they are going to be observed by using one instrument, that is detector. So they are moving this detector top to bottom. It may can measure intensity of the light. We are heating here, that releases radiation. That's we are sending one Nicol prism that gives some wavelength, whatever that is diffraction. Then I'm getting all the lines. Then we are finding intensity. Okay, that intensity versus and radiation means intensity versus energy. They drawn on graph. So you may can see NCRT book, intensity versus energy or wavelength, sir. Intensity and versus wavelength. They given on graph, sir. Intensity versus wavelength. So intensity meaning you know that one, sir. Intensity. Whenever I am heating, that releases radiation. They split into that prism. Then I am finding here red light. How much intensity is there? Next, maybe orange, VIBG or na? Violet, red, yellow color. How much intensity is there? Different color. Intensity means same energy, but number is more, sir. Suppose one photon, you can take one photon, yellow color. If I am sending 20 photons, yellow color only, sir. Same energy that is. Here, intensity of the color is more. You may can check it in a light red color, huh? Dark red color. Something is there or not names, different names. Wherever intensity is more, then dark color you will get. Intensity is less, darkness is decreases. So they draw graph. So when at T1 temperature, so first they are heating here everything. At T1 temperature, how much wavelengths they are getting and their corresponding intensity they are finding. Next, still they are heating more temperature, sir. Again, this T1 temperature, T2 temperature they are heating, they are finding this intensity. That it is the releases wavelength that's they are taking wavelength and intensity versus and wavelength they are drawing graph. They are observing that one, sir. This is I'm giving all different things, sir. This is so intensity versus wavelength. They are drawn one graph. So wavelength here, this corresponding, so this is the maximum height of wavelength, means that corresponding intensity. This they are taking lambda max, maximum intensity at particular wavelength. Next you may can check it, next wavelength sir. This is the maximum height corresponding wavelength and this is the corresponding intensity. This is lambda max. And next one, this is the corresponding one. Here lambda max. So this is T3, T2, T1. T3 greater than, T2 greater than T1. So by increasing temperature, lambda max value decreases or increases sir with respect to intensity. By increasing temperature, you can see graphs are here. Lambda max this is. So lambda max moving sir. This is lambda. Lambda max moving decreasing. This is the graph increasing supposed to be here intensity increasing. Wherever I am getting lambda max with respect to intensity, lambda max decreases or increases with respect to temperature. Lambda max decreases. Please check into that graph. Previously here the green color can show different colors, sir. Please check it. Don't get confusion here. Graph you can see. Even leave that one. So this is the lambda max value. Suppose this is graph you can see this is the increasing direction. Next lambda max we are getting here, sir. T2 lambda max. Decreasing, sir. This is decreasing. Going left side means decreases. And third lambda max will get, sir, here. So when max value decreases. Are you getting my point? When I am heating very high temperature and lambda max decreases with respect to intensity. Temperatures. Here I mentioned, you can see in our diagram. At T1 temperature, we are heating at T1 temperature. Then that releases some radiation. That radiation we sent to prism. Then we calculated intensity. Then second time also temperature again I am increasing. I send that radiation through prism. This is a prism, sir. Every time I am doing, every time one time. When I am heating, that releases light. That sending to the prism. I calculate intensity. Again second time I am heating. Again that radiation releases. I am sending to the prism. I am calculating again intensity with respect. This is instrument, sir. Intensity calculator instrument. This is simply instrument only. Okay. They won't do anything, just counting how many particles releases. Like the different temperatures, I am calculating intensity and wavelength relation I am trying to find out. Intensity versus wavelength I am trying to find out. So they are assuming that one finally, classical theory, sir. They are assuming that one energy is directly proportional to intensity. They are assuming that one, sir. So more the number of particles, more the energy, they are assuming that one. But later to came that one, energy is not the directly proportional to intensity. Energy is directly proportional to the frequency, or energy is inversely proportional to the wavelength. This is the final conclusion they got. Starting they are assuming energy is directly proportional to intensity. This is the classical theory they are taking. But modern theories they are telling finally energy is not directly proportional to intensity, that is directly proportional to frequency. Okay. So finally they given which is lambda and intensity graph. This is, sir. So just keep in mind, by increasing temperature, lambda max decreases with respect to intensity. Only that the sentence you have to keep in mind. In our chemistry, this much only have that one. You don't have anything here. There is something Wien's law, something is in physics. Wien's law. You can type in Google, YouTube. You will get Wien's law also same explanation. You will get about black body radiation. You have in physics. So here you have to understand chemistry. Very simple. By increasing temperature, lambda max decreases. with respect to intensity. That is the only one word. Okay. So why this happened means they are assuming that one starting they thought everything is with respect to intensity means like a wave character, but no, that releases particle character, sir. Means which is black body is there. I'm writing here, sir. That black body releases radiation in the form of packets only. That not releases continuously. That black body when we are heating, that also releases energy in the form of packets, radiation. So that is the reason Planck's explain black body radiation, because this body energy releases are absorbing in the form of packets, not in the form of wave. Array intensity means very simple, sir. Intensity means again you can get here intensity. Array again I'm explaining intensity meaning. Suppose 10 particles is there. Okay, then you can see 10 particles means 10 red color wavelengths, sir. 10 red color. 100 red color, same energy, all these are red color, same energy. Here we'll get very dark red, means dark red means more intensity. Light red means less intensity. Where we are getting darkness, that is more intensity, and same energy, that is same energy. They don't have different energy. 100% is there, 100% same 1%. Like that. Suppose you are taking 100 students, 100 only 11th JE section. 100 only 11th JE. Okay, then your people content is more, your intensity. Other people is there, 11th need people, only 50 people. So your concentration is more because your people is 100 people and same class. All they consider only 11th. Leave it to your marks and all these things. Huh? So who is the crowd is more here? 11th JE is more crowd, more intense people. Here less like that. Intense means same energy but more number. Yes, color. Array color nothing but wavelength. Color nothing but wavelength. Wavelength nothing but energy. I just read today simple thing what is they given NCERT book. Try to get. Otherwise, leave it that we don't have in the chemistry much more importance for this one. So black body radiation explained, which is that absorbing and releases energy also in the form of energy packets. That's equal to E equal to H. That's enough. Don't think that when we don't have any questions based on this. Clear? Or the definition of black body, find it, then over. Leave that things. Don't take headache this concept because it's not that much importance for with respect to our chemistry. Just note down that graph only here, that graph, and write only one statement. So whenever I'm increasing temperature, the max decreases and intensity increases, which is the intensity, sir, here. Okay. The only one sentence you make a note down that point. So starting they're assuming that one. Okay, please write one sentence, one more sentence. Previously, sir, we're assuming that one. Right. Energy is a function of intensity according to classical theory. Right, sir. Energy is a function of intensity. This is according to classical theory. Classical theories. Energy is a function of intensity. This is the classical according to classical theory. Next point. Planck could explain. Planck could explain the distribution of intensity in radiation. Planck could explain the distribution of intensity in radiation from a black body as a from a black body as a from a black body as a function of frequency or wavelength at different temperatures. Frequency or wavelength at different temperatures. So previously they are assuming energy is the with respect to intensity. No, they are telling about frequency or wavelength now. Okay, just leave this one. This is the point only you have to remember. But you don't have anything about these problems and questions, anything based on black body, because we are going to be study very clearly in physics. Don't think that one too much about black body radiation. Just think about which is we are going to be concept next concept. Next concept, right, sir? Photoelectric effect. Photoelectric effect. Leave that one. Don't think too much. Huh? In physics, you are going to be study very well. Your physics sirs, maybe Murli sir, or some other teacher who are taking, they will explain perfectly and more and more. In chemistry, we don't have anything about importance. That one, leave that one. Right, photoelectric effect. So I will explain today because we have only 10 minutes time. That concept read and come for tomorrow. Clear? And any important points is there, you make a note down. Any important points is there, sir, please make notes and come tomorrow. So photo means, what is the sir photon means? I don't think photo means a selfie photo. Huh? Photon, keep in mind, photon means E equal to h nu. One photon energy equal to E equal to h nu. Photo means this is the thing. Kaushik Babu, I can't give assurance that one. Now we can see. This is metal, sir. Very simple. Okay. You can take metal surface, like especially first A group elements. You know, first A group elements already may be highlighted. That is cesium, okay, rubidium, like that. Those elements, first A group elements. Why I'm taking first A group elements means these have less ionization energy and more reactivity. Okay, I can remove electrons from easily from these metals because first A group elements are highly reactive. They can lose easily electrons, sir. After losing, they will get inert gas configuration. One electron they can lose, they can get inert gas configuration. This is neon configuration, like that. That's why these are first A group elements are highly reactive. So that is the reason we are choosing these elements. Are you know photoelectricity or what we can say that is we are getting from sunlight electricity, sir. Solar system, you know that one, solar system only. These are principle. So all they have here electrons. Assume that one. When the sunlight is fall down on the surface of the metal, a very simple way we are going to discuss. Don't get confusion. When sunlight is fall down on the metal surface, this is equal to we are supplying energy, sir. I'm supplying energy. This is in the form of h nu. Okay, that these electrons can take that energy. That energy going to be reaches this electron. After that, electron can eject. Okay, that electron going to be eject, sir, from these electrons we are coming out. So this whole phenomena we call photoelectric effect. When sunlight is fall down metal surface area, then that energy is observed by this electron, then that ejected from metal surface. This is called photoelectrons. Photoelectrons. So what happened here? See, two things happened. When I am sending energy E, I need to remove electron from here, sir. That's only indirectly we called ionization energy. Electron is bonded to nucleus or not? Sodium atom, suppose you are taking, electron is bonded to nucleus, sir. They have attraction. So when I am sending energy, that remove this electron. Is it correct? So first electron is attracted to some metal atom. That is I am taking W naught. And electron ejected from that metal surface means that when ejected means that can move some fast or not, some with velocity. That can move with some velocity. That is kinetic energy. So which is I am sending energy that done two things. One is to remove energy. See, to remove electron, they need minimum energy, that is we called either threshold energy or work function, sir. W not equal to work function. Very simple this is, okay? Or threshold energy. For a spelling you may can check it, sir. Threshold, or a check it is spelling, threshold energy. Scientist name only that is, okay? Energy, threshold energy or work function. So every element they require minimum energy to remove that electron, sir. Suppose sodium have, they bind with electron, some attraction. Cesium element is there, it's also bind with some attraction. That depends upon element. Every atom they have their own W naught. S, these are removable electrons. Manojit, keep with you, I will ask you later. Okay. Are you understood this point? So when energies fall down to metal surface, that electrons ejected. Those electrons we called photoelectrons. So what happened that is which I am supplying energy E equal to, first I need to remove electron from the metal surface, that is W naught. That electron can move some with velocity, that we call some kinetic energy, that is kinetic energy. Understood this point? Any doubt here? And you can note down here one more point. One electron can absorb only one photon. Only one photon. Suppose I am taking here different cases, sir. This electron attracted with respect to metal, sir. These electrons attracted with respect to metal. To remove this electron, I need 10 joules of energy. So this electron and nucleus attracted very strongly, that required 10 joules of energy. I am sending here 5 joules photon, sir. 5 joules only photon. Electron can eject. Is it possible? I am sending 5 joules of photon, but electron attracting power is 10 joules. Electron can eject from that metal surface. Array, only 2 students are giving answers, sir. What about remaining people? You are not understanding. Array, electron energy required to remove that electron 10 joules, but I am sending only 5 joules energy. Can remove it electron? No, you can't remove that one because requirement is 10, but you are sending 5 joules only. Is it possible? No. So in this case, no photoelectric effect. No photoelectric effect. I'm taking second case. Means in the same case, you can write one more. Here also possible or not, you can check it, sir. These are the electrons. I am sending here 2 photons, sir. 2 photons I am sending. Each one is same, sir. This require only 10 joules of energy. You can see still 2 perfectly. I am sending here 2 photons. This also 5 joules energy. Even this also 5 joules of energy. Even third photon also I am sending, sir. Now, can you tell electron can eject? Means photoelectric effect is possible or not? Again, most of the people not responding, sir. Yes or no only, na? No negative marks, nothing here. You can respond. Maybe yes or no. What is the matter? If yes is there, okay, fine, very good. Our answer is success. Okay, fail means you can let you know, na? That is okay. Nothing, na? Electron can move with velocity. If you are supplying more energy, means electron can move with some speed. That's only. Okay. Answer is no, sir. No photoelectric effect. Answer is no photoelectric effect. Any doubt here? Fine. I am keeping in bracket red color. What is the red color meaning, sir? They kept in bracket red color. What is the meaning that one? Please check it. That red color meaning, sir. Waste fellow, inside sentence also you can read. Huh? Read inside sentence also. If you send more than energy, electron will eject. Doesn't matter. Nothing going to be happen. Photoelectric effect takes place. Yes, that is the meaning. One electron can absorb only one photon. So one photon energy is 5 joules. But electron require here 10 joules. Even you are sending even 20 photons also, they can't absorb. It can take only 1 joules. If you are sending 20 photons, mean this is intensity, sir. Same energy contain too many photons is intensity. Intensity meaning same energy contain too many photons. So many photons combination of same energy, nothing but intensity. Even we are increasing intensity also, nothing is going to be happen here anything. Because one electron can absorb only one photon. Yes, it varies metal to metal. Na? Every metal have. Here no photoelectric effect. Na? That's what I'm telling. Here also no photoelectric effect. No, photoelectric effect doesn't happen here also. So remaining part we will discuss. Today you can read and come. Just I introduce only photoelectric effect. Just go and read your textbook. Come very clearly tomorrow. If any important points is there, note down and come. We can save some time. We can discuss numericals. But still concept is not completed. Keep in mind, still concept is not completed. We'll discuss tomorrow. Clear? So thank you very much. Tomorrow we'll discuss. Take break. వాటికోసం వస్తా ఉండాలి ఎటు పోతే పోవట్లేదు అదే ఒక్క నిమిషం కావట్లేదు ఇంద్రా ఏమో పోయి అడుగు, మరి తెలియదు నాకు కూడా, నేను అడుగుతాను. 7 times ఏంద్రా అది? సెవెన్ టైమ్స్ పెరిగిందంట. 2 times పెరిగింది. 4 times plus 2 times 1/2. 1/2 plus 7. 14 times పెరిగింది. 0.4 అంటే 14 times కదా, 7 రెట్లు పెరిగింది. 2 times అంటే 4. వీడియో చేయాలి కదా, ఏదో చేయాలి.